If you just train your jawline muscles around your jaw area, you will become more attractive. And in this video, I'm going to walk you through exactly the exercises and all the things that we can do to improve our attractiveness at our jaw. So step number one, the reason why you're currently not attractive. So before I tell you the steps and the exercises on how we can improve our jawline, I first want you to understand why you have gotten to this point where you actually don't have an attractive jawline, because there's certain things that you have been doing that I guarantee has been ruining that, like, your overall attractiveness. And one of the things is actually something that will give you an asymmetrical face, which is honestly one of the biggest reasons why people are not attractive. And one of the habits that you have been doing, which has been causing this damage, is actually to lie like this. So having your hands or your knuckle on your face. The reason for this is because when we, for example, lie in our beds, like I remember when I was younger, I always used to watch this certain person on YouTube, and I would, watch them late at night and all of these different things. So for hours, I had my hand like this because I needed to have my charger in my phone so the battery could be kept alive. And the problem with this was that if you have one of your hands on the side of your face, there comes more pressure on this side and more water will actually flow to that side, which actually means that over time, doing this consistently, you will literally get asymmetrical parts of your face. So my action step for you is, that I want you to remember from this video, is that you need to either switch sides if you absolutely need to, like, have your hands supporting you like this, or just this more simple and more scientific way that will actually work is to just from now on just lay on your back, just sit straight and watch forward. So for example, sit on the chair and then have good posture when watching. Before I go to the next step where I teach you how to train your jaw muscles, I also want you to know that I also train something that I call the 4 key muscles in your face. Basically, when all of these are trained, you will look like a model. It's what has transformed my face completely, and it's what I teach inside of my program. So if you're interested, then have a look at the top link of the description. Now let's get to step number 2, which is how to train your jawline. So just like we can train for a more attractive body, we can also train for a more attractive face. The benefits of training your face is very good. So for example, a lot of people have what is called a recessed jawline. A recessed jawline is, in short terms, just having a short looking jawline. So like this. You can see right now I have no definition and my jawline is very inwards, like it's very short. However, a good and healthy looking jawline looks like this. And that is exactly why we need to train some of our jaw muscles, because we want to get rid of this recessed looking jaw. But that could just be one of the benefits. The other benefits will give you a more thicker looking jawline. So first of all, we needed to make our jawline go forward. The next step is that we want to make our jawline thicker. How we make our jawline thicker is that we train what's called the masseter muscles. The masseter muscles is the muscles that you have right around here, around your jaw. Just look at now when I flex the muscle, you can clearly see it. You can clearly see that it activates over here. When this muscle is trained, you will literally get that TikTok boys good looking jawline. Like, you can clearly see it. Okay, so now that you understand the benefits that you're gonna get from them, let's dive into the exercises that you're gonna do. So first of all, to get this forward growth, that's what it's called when we go from recessed looking jawline to a forward growth looking jawline. That's what it's called. We want to do some specific things. First of all, there's an exercise that we can do. And this exercise is called hard mewing. So there's a difference between mewing and hard mewing. So mewing, for example, is what we want to do throughout the whole entire day, which is where we do this with our tongue. We take the tip of our tongue and we put it against our palate. That's what it's called. The palate is in short terms just the roof of your mouth. But we also have specific parts of the roof of our mouth. We have the back first and we have the front. So the front is basically right behind your teeth, right up there. I will also show like an anatomy picture of it so you can understand it better. But the point is that we want to, with our tip of our tongue, touch the roof of our mouth right behind our teeth. And then you say, and you can clearly see that my jaw, it activates my jaw here. And when we apply this pressure over time, like consistently, like I'm talking every single day, you will get what's called forward growth. Like you will completely transform the way your jawline look. And hard mewing is basically just where we don't do it throughout the whole day, but there are specific times of the day where we just do as much pressure as possible, but for a shorter time. So that's just like a finisher that we can do. So my action step for you is that you want to combine these two things, mewing and hard mewing. Hard mewing is what I would recommend doing by the end of the day, where you just do 10 hard reps. So where you just, the reps here is basically seconds. So you just apply as much pressure upwards as possible, and then you just try to resist the pain. And when you do the normal mewing, I just want you to kind of make it into a habit first. That's how I learned to do it. So basically, remind yourself whatever you do. After you have eaten, remember, mew. When you're in school, remember, okay, I have to mew. Yes, it will look a bit weird because look at this. This is how you can check if you're doing it properly. When you start mewing, like you should feel and see your tongue go out here. So look at the difference here. Now I don't have any activation. Now I will get an activation. Can you clearly see the difference, right? So it will look a bit weird, but like the results that you will get is fucking worth it. So like when you come in fucking school with this fucking jawline, like everybody will just be like, whoa, I don't even recognize you anymore. That's a quick thing that I just want to tell you. Like literally from like 2 days ago, I got a snap from an old girl that I knew from like 10th grade that I went to. I haven't seen her like in like 3 years. So she snapped me and I snapped a picture back, and she literally sent me a picture like this. I don't even recognize you. That was what she said. Like, bro, I'm telling you, this is the way that you're gonna transform your looks completely. But that is the exercises that you want to do if you want to get forward growth. Now we want to understand the exercises that actually gives us this thick looking jaw out here. And that is something called the prayer. The prayer is where we take our hands together, just like if we were going to pray. And then what we want to do is that we want to use our thumbs as resistance to go upwards. So you literally push upwards with your thumbs like this. When you then push upwards with your thumbs, you want to resist with your jawline like this. That is exactly how you can clearly feel like a burn around your jaw muscles here. However, I do want you to understand that if you hear clicking noises around your jaw, you have something called TMJ, which is something that is not good. So if you hear clicking noises, I want you to stop this exercise immediately. And then there's just other things that we can probably do, but we can talk about that in another video. And while now you know these exercises, which is really good, but however, a lot of people that I see actually makes still a lot of mistakes after me even explaining it carefully. So that is exactly why in my program, I will personally review your form either on a call, or if it's easier for you to just send me a video, I will personally review exactly your form so you don't waste your time. And again, it's in the top link of the description. So step number 3. Extra knowledge that will save your future looks. So basically there's something that I want you to understand. Genetics is fucking bullshit. If you have what you think is bad genetics, it's not bad genetics. It has just been bad habits. So I want you to change your mindset. And whenever you see somebody who is attractive and you are not attractive, Stop saying, oh, it's genetics, oh, it's puberty, they got saved. No, they literally just did good habits over a certain time period. How do I know? Well, because I was fucking born with shit genetics. Again, I was not born with shit genetics. I just did bad habits throughout my whole entire life, so I looked like shit. That's the mindset that I want you to have. And that is exactly why we can also reverse this by actually starting to do these good habits, which is training the muscles that I teach you about. Well, basically, I want you to understand that there's 3 reasons why you don't have a good looking jawline. First of all, you haven't been training the muscles. Second of all, you are fat. So basically, your definition is just hard to see. Third of all, you haven't been training your hyoid bone. And if you haven't been training your hyoid bone, you will literally have skin hanging off here. Because the hyoid bone, which is the muscle around your throat area here, will literally tighten up this. So basically you will just get way more definition and you will just look way more attractive. But again, that's one of the muscles that I teach inside of my program. But there's one last tip that I want to give you. And that is to honestly improve all the areas of your jawline. And that is when you are breathing. When you are breathing throughout the day. Try to think about this from now on. Are you breathing through your mouth or are you breathing through your nose? Because the thing is, if you breathe through your nose, great job. You are actually doing the right thing. You will actually reverse the thing of getting a recessed looking jawline and actually get forward growth. Basically, we were meant as humans to breathe through our nose because the air that we breathe will actually get filtered by some filters that we have up in our nose. Our mouth doesn't do that, so there's absolutely no reason for why we should breathe through our mouth. You don't get more air, and the symptoms will just be worse if you do it through your mouth. So absolutely stop doing that. And that's another key step that I want you to remember from this video. Breathe through my nose. Breathe through my nose. Whenever you caught yourself breathing through your mouth, just think, oh fuck, don't be a retard, just breathe through your nose. And that is basically how you get a jawline. So now that we are at the end of this video, I really want to give you a thanks because you have really been taking the time to actually educate yourself. Think about all the other things that you could have been doing. You could have been watching fucking Netflix or some shit like that right now. But you have actually decided to fucking improve your looks, and I'm so proud of you for that. And that is exactly why that I know this channel will be exactly for you, because if you watch this far, you actually know that my content is actually valuable and it's actually something that will change your life. So I will highly recommend you to go down and click subscribe to my channel. If you want to keep on learning and getting more attractive, then go over and watch this video over here. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day, bro. Mwah!